Recent studies said that 79% of the consumers agreed that they tend to believe when they see a real person talking about the positive benefits of any brand or service. Yes, today we are here to talk about user generated content and also how brands or businesses can use user generated content to leverage their brand building process and also create credibility and authority around it. Now, since I mentioned about credibility, one study about consumer trust, which was done by Nielsen, came up with the findings that 92% of the people believe that they will agree to a person talking about a brand rather than any other campaign where the brand is talking about themselves or the benefits they produce. So the credibility index for user generated content is way too high than any other content distribution channel. Now, what is user generated content? User generated content or UGC, how we usually address it is the content pieces, whether it is a photo, it is a moment, it is an experience or a video where a consumer of your product or service is talking about your brand, sharing their experience, sharing about a wow moment or how the brand impacted, influenced their life, their decision or any other moment of their real life scenario, and there they talk about the positives around your brand. So anything that goes like that, whether it is a review, a blog, a video bite, a photo, an instant share, works positively. And the reason why it works positively is because UGC is normally considered as the most authentic, unsolicited, and it is always driven by the consumers. So that means people are trusted because they are talking their heart out, and that mentions your brand. So that's the power of user generated content. So what are the most common examples of user generated content? Well, if you are a D2C brand, somebody who is trying to capture the audience attention on the meta campaigns, you must have noticed the unboxing videos, where the customer is sharing their wow moment and of receiving a nicely packaged product and opening it and the entire experience they capture. Of course, with the giggles and emotions of friends and families at times, so that makes the video very authentic. E-commerce reviews, for that matter, where people actually put in their pictures to underline their feedback, whether it is positive or negative, or a genuine feedback where they are asking the brand to do things in a little better way. So those e-commerce review are a great example of user generated content. Social media mentions, posts where customers tag the brand spaces or collaborate with the brand spaces are taken very, very authoritatively and authentically by not just the search engines but also the people who are searching and finding your brand as a result of their searches. Testimonials. Now, earlier there was a wave, for where brand people and the marketers like me used to feel that, okay, a lot of people think that testimonials can be created by you. But now we are in a genre where people are using authentic user-generated content that can be a testimony in a video form. Sometimes they just put the screenshots of real-time WhatsApp conversations and emails to underline the credibility of that particular customer conversation. Custom creations are also happening with a lot of, customers who agree to be the brand advocates, and they are more than happy, to talk about the brand that they have recently, experienced and maybe fallen in love with, and they are more than ready to do the custom created user generated content in video forms as well. So these are some of the great examples that are trending heavily and are working very effectively, not only on the search campaigns but also on the paid campaigns for various domains, whether it is an IT services provider or an e-commerce or D2C brand. User generated content is working very, very effectively for brand building, and it does leverages the brand trust and credibility. Why UGC is crucial for brand building? For very basic reasons. We all know it boosts credibility and trust. It increases engagement because people are always interested in knowing what other people are saying or doing around your brand. It expands brand reach because when different segments of customers are talking about your brand in a very ambient way, you are reaching out to their networks and their that customer segment as well. So it does expand brand reach. It enhances social proofing for any business. So there cannot be any better social proof for any brand and content team, than a user generated content. Now, if I talk about what could be the best practices, to leverage your user generated content in your brand strategy, there are a lot of brands who incentivize, and encourage user generated content. If you remember the Starbucks white mug campaign, so that's a perfect case study to understand, where you actually encourage, engage, and, in a very beautiful and positive way, incentivize the customers also. And they feel a sense of belonging with the brand. You can actually use the user generated content as a great form by repurposing the content, in different content pieces. It can be testimony, can be converted into a case study. It can be differently used for an email marketing campaign as customer advocacy. It can also help you, create nice, beautiful ad campaigns around the user generated content videos. Also, another best practice around UGC is that we should always credit creators. A lot of time, people tend to forget the creators. So even if they are the people who are not on social media, who are not popular faces, you should always credit the creators. It not only is a best practice for leveraging user generated content, but it also builds authenticity around your brand communication. So always credit creators. Next best practice can be engaging with the UGC creators. That means like you must have come across, local guides or influencers who talk about one certain category of products or services. So you should always engage with such creators, because when those creators engage with your user generated content, it builds momentum, authority, and backs your content with credibility also. And most importantly, which is something which we always talk about on our brand videos, stay authentic. Honesty remains the best policy even in user generated content. So ensure that whatever UGC you are using to leverage your brand practices, you are following the best practice, which is to stay authentic. So those were my 2 cents around brand building and leveraging user generated content for brand building. It is definitely the most authentic and credible way to build your brand, to leverage your brand authority and credibility. But always ensure that you are doing it ethically. When I say ethically, always take the permissions from the users that how you are going to use the user generated content. Maybe they are just posting a bite on Instagram, but if you plan to use and leverage it in your brand communication cycles, make sure that the customer is pre-informed, you have the permissions, and that's how you scale. Also respect their privacy. Maybe sometimes people want to collaborate at their permissions. Maybe they think that later on they would like to remove it. So you have to respect the privacy of your customers and do it in a very organized way, where you have all the critical permissions to use the user generated content. Make sure the copyright laws are taken care of into consideration while publishing any user generated content around your brand platforms, and always ensure transparency while using any form of user generated content. Keep your users aligned with your communication practice so that your brand grows in the most positive way. Today, that was my video about UGC for brand building. We'll be back with more videos soon. Thank you.